So are you wondering what to do with that 747 on blocks in your driveway? Well, get ready to meet two wingnuts who can turn a B-2 bomber into a custom piece of furniture.
Welcome to MotoArt. This is a new building we moved in about 10 weeks ago. This is our Hall of Fame. Within the last 3 years, we've appeared in over 50 magazines. From Maxim Magazine, Razor, Playboy. Let me take you out the shop. Our DC9 wing desk, which is really kind of our bread and butter. We have about 2 weeks worth of work in this, just sanding and polishing. And what we do is we take the horizontal stabilizer from the DC9, put some nice leg designs on it, and it's now a DC9 executive desk. These run for about $8,400 retail. One of the things we came up with was just taking old radial engine pistons, polish them up, and actually what we come up with is our $200 item, which is the piston lamps. You know, it's a radial engine piston, has a UL listed halogen light on it, and these sell like hotcakes for us. And this really is what generates the cash revenue for MotoArt. What we wanted with this new shop was not just a place, of course, to work and do our artwork, it was also to create kind of more a home feeling for myself, Donovan, and two other artists that live here. Thomas, our metal artist, did a nice metal facade there on the side wall. We were very fortunate to have an 84-inch plasma screen. Donovan brought in his purple couch, and we tried to make this our little rec center / living room. And this is where we all hang out. This is where we watch the premiere parties every Tuesday night, and this is what we call home.
The total freedom of creativity. I can build just about anything I want, and it really starts from going to the aircraft boneyards and just rummaging through, thousands and thousands of parts and old airplanes. That's actually my biggest thrill.
I've had a degree in sales and marketing my whole life, and I love to sell and I love to market. Again, what was once a hobby has turned into a full-blown business, and I've actually had to reach out and bring some help in to help me keep the infrastructure of MotoArt. I can't do everything. I enjoy going out in the shop, but the more we grow, the less opportunity I have out there. I mean, there's just not enough hours in the day as it is.
I think MotoArt is special for several reasons. We do rescue vintage aircraft, some very famous aircraft, from being scrapped and turned into aluminum cans.
Trying to preserve it and make something fun and functional out of it.
It's good to look at, and you can use it also.
We're bringing out these incredible pieces of art.
We're going to continue on with the company.
It spanned out in different directions. We called it Moto because it was anything industrial mechanical. Aviation was just our stepping stone in this industry, hence the name MotoArt.